You first need to check that you have a booklet finisher on your device. On the left side of the machine, check you have an external finisher and that it has a booklet exit location at the lower left. If you don't have a booklet finisher, you can still produce a booklet, but the machine won't be able to fold and staple it. It'll come out as flat sheets that you'll have to fold and staple by hand. Booklets need to have a page count of a multiple of 4 pages. In the event that you don't have a multiple of 4, blanks will automatically be inserted at the end of the document when copying to make the page count up to a multiple of 4. Here we have 8 A4 originals that are single-sided. Place the originals into the document feeder face up in the correct order. Select Copy from the home screen. Note that the layout of the home screen may be different and you may have to log in to your device depending on your configuration. Select the Options button and then the Booklet button. Here we are scanning individual pages and wanting to produce a booklet, so we select the Booklet Scan option. Because our originals are single-sided, we don't need to turn on the two-sided original option. Because our pages are standard A4 size, we can let the machine automatically detect the page size. If they were not a standard page size, we can manually select the page size using the Original Size Change button. We need to select the style of output. Because our machine is fitted with a booklet finisher, we can choose from the following options. Output as flat sheet without folding. Produce the output as folded sheets only. Please check the specifications of your machine as to the maximum number of sheets you can fold without stapling. Fold and saddle stitch the output to form a booklet using staples. Please check with the specifications of your machine as to the maximum number of sheets you can fold and staple. If your machine does not have a saddle stitch booklet maker, then you'll only be able to choose the Do Not Fold option. Here we're going to choose to fold and saddle stitch the output. Here the term stitch means to staple the booklet in the center. The layout size determines the final size of the booklet and represents the paper that the booklet will be printed on. If you select A3 paper, then you'll get a booklet printed on A3 paper, which is then folded to form an A4 booklet. If you require an A5 booklet, you need to ensure that you have A4R paper loaded in a tray. You can then select this paper. Here we're going to select A3 paper to produce an A4 booklet. If I want the cover of the booklet to be printed on a different stock, for instance card loaded in the multi-purpose tray, I can select this with the Add Cover option. You can see I can control how the cover is to be printed, and if any pages of the cover should be left blank, as well as selecting the paper size and location of the cover stock. Select OK and then Close. Enter the number of copies you require. If you want to check the output of the first copy before printing the subsequent copies, you can use the Copy Sample button. Press the green button to start copying. If you have an existing booklet that you want to copy, first you need to remove the staples to get the individual signature pages. Then load these pages into the document feeder with the outside pages uppermost. Please ensure that the paper